Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita. I'm back with another video. So on this video, you guys, this is just like a quick check-in because I was coming to I called a student loan company so I can figure out what I need to pay, because next month we're supposed to be paying our student loans, right? But I heard that it's actually extended, you guys. It's paused. So the student loan payments is actually paused now. As of yesterday, is paused until May 1st, 2020. So that means that you don't have to make any of your loan payments right now. You still have that 0% interest rate. And then they stopped all collections on the default loan. So they're not going to do any of these. So I am very excited about that. Even though I plan on paying off my student loans, I like that it's at a 0% interest right now. Right now, that's amazing. I just hope I can get. Hope they do more extensions so I can have them all paid off during the 0% interest rate. But still, you guys, if you were like, oh my gosh, I got to start making a payment, and you were, frustrated, you don't have to worry about making a payment until May 1st, 2020. That's when this pause is going to be lifted. And don't forget, too, they have something called income driven repayment plans where they can give you a payment based off of your actual income. And I remember when I didn't have a lot of money when I did the income driven repayment plans, I didn't have to pay anything at all because my income was just so low. I didn't have to pay anything at all. So if that's something you want to look into, I definitely suggest you look into it. But I'm so excited, you guys. I'm so excited. I just hope that they keep the 0% interest rate for another 6 months after this until I have them all paid off. But still, even though I'm so excited, hopefully you guys find this video helpful. Don't forget, you guys, if you want me to make you a video, go ahead and put the thing down below. Put the question down below that you want me to make you a video about, whatever it may be. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. There's so many people out there with debt. So much debt, you guys, that they can't even get a car, they can't get a mortgage, they can't even get a credit card. Like, I mean, a $200 credit card. Some people can't even get a secure credit card. So that's why I created my exclusive credit membership, and it's only $1, you guys. So my exclusive credit membership, you guys will actually get the letters to delete bankruptcies, charge-off, repossessions, any negative account that you have in your credit reports. I have the letter so you guys can get that deleted. But guess what? Just because you guys are a part of my exclusive membership, you can get all those letters. But say if you don't want to do all that work, I have it so that you guys can get free credit repairs. So that means I will actually start working to help you remove these accounts from your credit reports. And look right here, look all the results that my clients are getting. So definitely remember, you guys can join my exclusive membership for just $1. And I'll have that link down below. Or you guys can text SCORE 21,000 and you guys will have that link. So I'll see you guys in my exclusive membership.